What's up? Got Thursday out here at the testing facility. Another 5,000. This is a Phoenix LiDAR edition. Looking really good. Just doing a little 20-pound payload test flight. All is good. Let's see. Take off, slide to take off. Okay, there it is.
Take off. No point has been updated.
Gotta love it. I mean, even a caveman can do it. A caveman. Cool. So we'll whip this thing around, do some autopilot missions, LITCHI and such. And yeah, do some more testing. So we're just doing our testing using LITCHI, doing a fully autonomous mission. So we set up some waypoints and just does its thing. We just make sure that it's staying on its heading, that altitude's right. So altitude should be 57 feet. We're at 56.5, so we're right in there. FPV camera looks really good. Yeah, looking great. Hey guys, just testing out your aircraft here. We're looking good. Telemetry's looking great. Aircraft is very well tuned. It's flying awesome. Did a fully autonomous mission with LITCHI. No worries. Everything went great. So yeah, after we're done this flight, we'll put it in the box, ship it out your way. Super successful testing day today. We got to test fly and ship out today, which is pretty rare. Usually I try to kind of break up the testing and the shipping, but today we just did everything, made it happen. And this is the result of a build for, like a quick build. Now I gotta clean up and do it all over again. I think we have 3 more lined up next week. Tomorrow we're doing a test day with a potential client, which I'm super excited about. It's a great example for drones for good, or drones doing like good things out there, not just causing disruptions and interrupting your air travel or spying on you. So something I'm super passionate about, drones doing really good things. So hopefully tomorrow goes pretty well with our little demo. And yeah, that's about all I got. Hope you guys have a good one. See ya! Oh, and the pup says hi.